हमारे यहाँ पढ़ाई को तो सबसे ज्यादा, पढ़ाई सर्वश्रेष्ठ है, उसके बाद सब कुछ। फिर आप चाहे लता मंगेशकर क्यों ना हो, पर पढ़ाई की है तो अच्छा, फिर आपकी आवाज सुनेंगे।
सही बात। Were you as good in maths ever?
Not as good as Shakuntala Devi. I was good. Period. You know, बचपन में वड़ा पाव बहुत अच्छा लगता था मुझे। अब मैं बाहर से कुछ खा ही नहीं पाती बिकॉज जगह जगह जाती हूँ, बहुत घूमती हूँ, बाहर बहुत खाना होता है बिकॉज हम लोग शूट्स पे जाते हैं, तो आई थिंक माई स्टमक्स बिकम सेंसिटिव। आता है बड़ा पाव बॉम्बे का, मतलब मुंह में पानी आ गया।
How are you? How have you been?
I'm very well, thank you.
Welcome to the Bombay journey. We generally do this while we're driving around in a car.
So you keep doing this?
I keep doing this. Yeah, I can keep doing it. I can keep doing it.
Yeah.
First of all, congratulations. I think to be helming a movie back to back that runs completely on you, I'm super happy to be saluting this to you. I think it's
Thank you.
Time we need more female protagonists in our country.
I think we have an abundance of female-led films today, and that makes me very, very happy because 12 years ago, when I started doing the so-called female-centric films, it was an aberration. But today it seems to be becoming the norm, and that's the only way to be because we occupy 50% of the earth.
That's true.
We still have a long way to go before we have 50% of the films that come out of the industry. But we're definitely better than where we were 12 years ago.
Remind me this, I mean, and this is something that we do, we go into reminiscing and we would be driving around.
मैं तो यहीं पैदा हुई.
So then Bombay, which area? What?
Chembur.
So you're a Chemburkar proper.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
So the South Indian Society of Chembur.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So tell me
South
something.
Indian Society तो नहीं, हमारे यहाँ बहुत cosmopolitan था, पर it was like a mini Palakkad because बहुत सारे Palakkad Ayers रहते हैं चेंबूर में, और हमारा एक अलग, it was very protected environment, और Sunday मतलब recreation के लिए हम मंदिर चले जाते थे.
Is that something that figures in the education bit also? Because I was born and brought up in Hyderabad, तो मेरी education को लेके काफी मतलब एक बड़ा आवाज उठती थी हर जगह. सब मेरे माता पिता के अलावा मेरे neighbors were also interested in how I'm doing.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल. हमारे यहाँ पढ़ाई को तो सबसे ज्यादा, पढ़ाई सर्वश्रेष्ठ है, उसके बाद सब कुछ. फिर आप चाहे लता मंगेशकर क्यों ना हो, पर पढ़ाई की है तो अच्छा, फिर आपकी आवाज सुनेंगे.
सही बात.
You know, और सब गाना सीखते हैं, सब डांस भी सीखते हैं, पर I think most importantly, you know, people focus on academics.
That's true. So, which brings me to the next point. Were you as good in maths ever?
Not as good as Shakuntala Devi. I was good. Period. There's no comparison.
I don't think any of us can be as good as Shakuntala Devi, for sure.
I know, ना उनके पहले ना उनके बाद ऐसा कोई पैदा हुआ है.
I've been told that you knew very little about Shakuntala Devi before you started filming.
Yeah.
How do you go about researching about a math genius who can do calculations at the speed of light? How does
that is something that I haven't been able to find an answer to. The how of what she did. Obviously, what I knew about her was what was in the public domain, that she's in the Guinness book, that she was known as a human computer, and that sort of stuff. But when Anu Menon shared with me the conversations, the interviews she had done with Anupama Banerjee, that's Shakuntala Devi's daughter and son-in-law Ajay, I was baffled. I was amazed by what I heard, because she was not just this, she was so much more than being the mathematical genius. And you know, she wrote books on a variety of subjects. She wrote books on astrology, she wrote a crime thriller, she wrote cookery books, she wrote the whole world of homosexuals, you know, what have you. She entered politics at some point. She had the zest for life, you know, to live it up every moment. So, because you have a certain perception, right, of mathematicians, because unfortunately, a lot of maths teachers also come across as maybe very serious or reclusive and not very interactive. So you feel that anyone who likes maths or is associated with maths would be like that. But she defies every myth that you have about a mathematician.
I think there is an interview of yours and Anupama's where you've spoken about how there is a theatrical experience that this film deserved. How does it figure in your head? Because you've been a Friday star, right? You've known Friday evenings and you've known box office numbers on Monday, and like, so as a artist, how does that somehow figure into your body or in your mind? Yeah, both tension.
Of course, पहले जब पता चला कि वो थिएटर में रिलीज नहीं होगी, तो थोड़ा लगा कि नहीं यार, more than anything, इस फिल्म को बड़े पर्दे पर देखने में बड़ा मजा आता, बिकॉज इसमें स्केल है. और पर फिर लगा कि Amazon प्राइम वीडियो पर रिलीज होने के बहुत फायदे हैं. एक ही दिन, मतलब 31 जुलाई को 200 देशों में एक साथ ये फिल्म देखी जाएगी. दैट इज अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग फीलिंग कि शायद एक नई ऑडियंस भी हमारी फिल्में देखने लगे, क्योंकि वही होता है ना OTT प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ. हम भी तो अलग अलग भाषाओं में कंटेंट देख रहे हैं, कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. तो आई थॉट कि अरे दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग, एंड एटलीस्ट इस लॉकडाउन में कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा लोगों को. एंड द फैक्ट दैट अगले साल तक हमें वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इस साइज की ये मीडियम साइज फिल्म है और इस पे इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट बहुत बढ़ जाता अगर हम रुकते तो. दैट्स नॉट समथिंग that would have been a healthy situation for us financially.
Does that figure in also in your head, because now you're married to a producer and you know the back end of things?
Yeah, I think so. इतनी समझ इसी वजह से आई है कि मैं एक प्रोड्यूसर की बीवी हूँ. बिकॉज उससे पहले क्या था कि मुझे लगता था कि अच्छा प्रोड्यूसर पैसे लगाते हैं, फिल्म बन जाती है, और I really didn't understand the mechanics of it, But I think now even the lay audiences are more aware of the entire process. It's quite fascinating. I think also because social media पे सब कुछ share किया जाता है, तो it's become a transparent process.
मैंने Imitation Game and the Mathematicians, The Theory of Everything वगैरह देखी थी, and they're very somber, like you said. Was it absolutely required to have this colorful extravaganza kind of a treatment? And I know this might be a better question for Anu, but I'd rather ask.
No, but Shakuntala Devi was a kind of person who was full of life, who loved color. For example, she wore bright lipsticks and bright clothes, and changed her hairstyle very often, wore her hair black till the very end of her life. She was, and there was so much to her. Like I said, like she did her math, she was always laughing loudly, enjoying herself. So the personality dictated the storytelling. You couldn't have told her story in any other way. If you had, then it would have been doing injustice to her.
Getting back to a bunch of Bombay things that we do, are you a street food or a foodie, and what foods do you like of Bombay?
बचपन में वड़ा पाव बहुत अच्छा लगता था मुझे. अब मैं बाहर से कुछ खा ही नहीं पाती. I think बहुत, because जगह जगह जाती हूँ, बहुत घूमती हूँ, बाहर बहुत खाना होता है, बिकॉज हम लोग शूट्स पे जाते हैं, तो आई थिंक माय स्टमक्स बिकम सेंसिटिव आफ्टर दिस. बड़ा पाव बॉम्बे का मतलब मुंह में पानी आ गया. और फिर वो भजिया पाव और समोसा पाव और एवरी काइंड ऑफ पाव.
I can imagine, I can feel you right now, because I've been off of those since a while as well.
Yeah.
What about Bombay slang और लहजा जो आपको कुछ पसंद हो या आपके दिमाग पे रह गया हो?
ये बॉम्बे वाले तो मुझे लगता है मैंने रियलाइज किया है, एक्चुअली मैं खुद बम्बई वाली हूँ, तो I think it took me a long time to realize that actually we leave sentences half done, or we love to do this, बड़ा शरा खाए क्या? लस्सी क्या? No, it's like bada shara, lassi vassi, khana shana. We do a lot of that in Bombay.
सही बात है एकदम, ये तो करते हैं। और ये बात भी है, देखिए अगर आप मेरे सवाल भी देखेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं जाके एंड नहीं होते हैं, वो क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं आ रहा है, डॉट डॉट। that is something that Bombay has lent to us. How has Bombay lent to you being able to, because हमारी खिचड़ी सोसाइटी है, हमारे पास सब कुछ होता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं switching from being a Palakkad girl or a household, you can switch to becoming different characters and these things. Do you have any diction knowledge, or have you picked up from around characters from around Bombay that you would have used?
Because Bombay में तो देश भर से लोग आते हैं ना. It's the most cosmopolitan city, in my opinion. So, you know, if you have to do a Bihari accent, you obviously know a Bihari. If you want to do a South Indian accent, you know enough South Indians, you know enough Gujaratis, you know enough Punjabis. So, obviously, there is, you're exposed to people from different regions, you're exposed to people speaking different languages. So, that definitely comes handy. Ki suna hua hai. It's not an alien sound, you know.
You go to and are your places, like in retrospect, you'd go and sit there like we see in the Hollywood films?
Are there places? Oh, I used to love to go to Nariman Point and sit there. Actor बनने के बाद भी मैं गई हूँ. Initial few years में रात को लेट जाके वहाँ बैठती थी. अब मैं नहीं जा पाती क्योंकि लोग भी बहुत लेट तक रहते हैं. पर Nariman Point जाके वहाँ सुकून से बैठती थी मैं. I love Nariman Point. पर even amongst those hundreds of people, or sometimes thousands, you'd find peace there. वो बॉम्बे की खासियत है. इतने लोग हैं, इतनी आबादी है, पर एक्चुअली अगर आप कहीं भी हो सकते हैं, ट्रेन में हो सकते हैं, बस में हो सकते हैं, people will give you your space also.
I've been taking promises off of camera for everybody I've met to do this when we are back in Bombay and in a car driving around and reminiscing
happily
the journey. So you have to promise me that before we end.
I'll happily do that with you, and then I'll take you to various spots in Bombay which are my favorite.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward.
Thank you. Thanks, Sudha.
I'll see you in Bombay. Bye bye.